Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Erin Olmstead. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural look for you guys for the summertime. Something that you could wear out every single day and have a really simple look, but also look really, really cute. And this is going to include like faux freckles, a really natural eye look, and then like a nude lip with some gloss. And I'm going to show you how you can achieve that by looking really natural, but also definitely having a look on you, if that makes sense, and having some kind of just like something to like spice things up, you know, like, you don't know, but I'm gonna show you that today. So if you guys do enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let's get into it. So my hair is down, which, let's just point out the obvious, it's down. I never wear it down. I have like she's like a natural curly wavy kind of gal, and I never wear it down. I always just wear it up. But I thought today it's Memorial Day, you know, and I just want to like spice things up. I'm going to do my face stuff first before I move on to the eyes and like lips. So I'm taking a highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty one. I love this little compact, and the duo is Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I've hit pan. As you can see, I use this every day, and I'm just going to apply highlight, because I feel like this highlight just adds a natural glow to your face and can really just, you know, add a little something, and, you know, just a natural little glow. So I put highlight. If I'm really going for a glowy look, I'll put it on the forehead, on the Cupid's bow, and of course on the cheekbone, on the nose. If you really want to get specific and get a really blinding highlighted nose, you take a very small brush and focus the highlight right on the tip of the nose, right on the bridge, and then I go down the center, and you're getting a really highlighted nose with that. Also, at the end, I'll do my highlighted inner corners, and that also just adds a really natural look. So next is something that I don't normally often do, but I will do sometimes if I'm feeling like I really want to, you know, look. It's kind of like a softer look. If you add faux freckles to your face, I have regular natural freckles, but I do cover them up by foundation. So I put a really light cover foundation on me today, a more natural. I only focused it really like on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, basically everywhere, but it was really only one pump of foundation, which for me is really not a lot. So that obviously just lets my freckles out a little bit more and lets my skin detail and like my skin texture show through a little bit more. But adding faux freckles is something that you can just do to add something to your look. But if you don't really have natural freckles, or you do like me and you just want to add some more, take a pencil, just a regular brow pencil, and add wherever. I just normally want to do them around my nose, under my eyes, just wherever a natural freckle would be. I might do it on top of some of my freckles. A lot of people do faux freckles around their whole entire face. I just don't prefer to do that, and that's just me. That's by preference. So as you can see, the faux freckles right now are very like prominent. You can just see them by looking at my face. What I like to do is just take a damp beauty blender and kind of like roll over them, not removing them, but more of just making them a little bit more dull. So yeah, those are the faux freckles and the face done. I obviously have foundation on, I have my brows done, stuff like that. But a way you can make your brows look really natural is if you have like thick haired brows like me, I just like to take excuse me, I just like to take a brow gel, and I'll go through my brows like a clear brow gel and make them a little bit more fluffy and natural. Still having the brow hairs in place, and they're not all over the place, but there's no product in them. So that's what I have on now. Or I will go in my brow pencil and just do like light strokes throughout to fill in like the sparse areas, do the brow gel, and have it call it a day. So that's what I also like to do. That's probably what I do on a normal base, and stuff like that. So face is done. Now I'm gonna go on to the eyes. For today, I'm using the James Charles palette because he's no longer canceled. And I'm just gonna put this all over the lid, kind of giving my lid a wash of color, like a new wash of color, but only neutral tones. And I'm really gonna blend this out, kind of like that. we love. Okay, then I'm gonna take a shimmer. I'm gonna take Face in the palette, which is just this really pretty shimmer. You can use this as highlight too on your face if you have this palette. And I'm gonna be putting this all over the lid, like that. Cute, we love. Okay, so it's just gonna give it like a sun-kissed glow onto your eyelid, and it's so pretty, and it kind of makes the eyelid look like wet and very natural. So again, just applying at least 2 transition shades or 2 neutral shades onto your lid in a shimmer, and that can really just complete a look. And this is all I would do, honestly, because I want to keep it really natural for you guys. I would personally do more, but we're gonna leave it at this. This smaller brush, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner. Next, what is next? Oh yeah, lips. Sorry, lips. I use this lipstick, which is from the drugstore. This one here, it's a nude. So I use this nude. I use a lighter color nude, and then I'll put a gloss over that. So I'll show you how to apply. This one broke, so you know, don't mind it. All over the lips as lipstick, and I'll take my finger and kind of just rub it in to my natural, so it's kind of like faded. Doesn't really look like I'm wearing a lipstick. It's really, really close to my natural lip color, but you can definitely tell the difference. So that's on. Then I'll take, and this is optional, you don't have to do this, you could just do this lip color and then a gloss. I like to take a lighter nude and put this on the center of my lips. Move it around a little bit and then tap it in. This will give my lips the appearance of a more plumper look. And then lastly, I'll take this lip gloss, which is just like, again, drugstore. This is all drugstore lip products. And if I want my lips to look even plumper, I'll put on this lip gloss. So yeah, this is the natural look for summertime. It might not seem that natural for you guys, and you can totally try this out if you want to. I find this very natural, very summer-like, really, really pretty and simple. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.